Hey folks, this is Wayne over at Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. This video is for Chris Donaldson or whatever. This guy sent in his tandem Bendix booster, and I went through it. The only people that mess with the boosters is Uncle Ron or myself. Now, we spend all this time to redo these boosters and go through them and clean them up and plate them up. And if you believe that we don't check these boosters before they leave, when it's so easy and quick after you've done thousands of them, you're an idiot. If you believe that we don't check the boosters before they leave here, you're an idiot. If you believe that we don't check the boosters before they leave here, you're an idiot. Especially when it's so convenient. Here we've got a Midland Ross that's getting ready to go out on a 71. It holds vacuum. It doesn't bleed down after we apply the brakes. It stays stationary. If the rear hub were bad, this would go ahead and go on the way down. This is with the engine running, our vacuum pump. There you go. Brake. Brake. Now watch the recovery. Brake. Engine's running, of course. See how fast and quick that recovery is? That's it. That's all we got to do. If it holds vacuum, that means that the chamber's good. If after braking it doesn't continue to bleed off, that means that the rear popping valve is good. And if it recovers like it does, that means the popping valve is sending the vacuum back to the other side of the diaphragm plate, just like it should. So, that's what we do here. And so, you get all done with this, and you see how easy it is. Stick these in here and get your final confirmation. I mean, so, we've had hubs get... Now, on the tandem Bendix, the weak point is that rear hub. That rear hub can get damaged or marked, dropped in shipping. We've seen the plates. So, I think now I'm going to have to video all the boosters. Because I get people like Chris just wearing me a new asshole. There we go. This Bendix is holding vacuum. Now we're going to watch it. There's a brake. The needle stays the same. It maintains vacuum in the can and across the valve. Brake. Maintains vacuum. Bad control valve, this will just bleed on down. Recovery. 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 Shut the engine down. We have vacuum integrity. These things will bleed off a little bit over time. They're not the space shuttle. They're from the 60s. They were not designed to hold vacuum for years and years and years. So, that's all you gotta do to check a booster. So, if you believe, once again, that we don't check the boosters after we put the fucking work into it, you are sorely misguided, my friend. We've seen all kinds of... That rear hub right there. On the Bendix, that's your spot. God bless you. God bless America. And when you got vacuum leak, Chris, on vacuum depression, it points directly to the rear hub.